Alright, let's take a quick look at how to add an image. So generally, you've got your content here, and we want to stick an image in there. There is the Insert Edit Image button. That is usually not going to do what you want. This we'll come back to in a second. In order to add an image, you want to click the Add Image link up there. This brings up the file manager, and you can scroll through a number of images here, click to more pages. You know, this is sort of the typical way of displaying stuff. Increase the number per page, yada yada. To insert an image, you just select one or more, and you can either hit this drop down. You've got your choose option, or I believe if you just click anywhere, if you just click on one of these rows somehow, yeah, okay, if you click over in the title, maybe the type as well, you get this contextual menu, and you can choose. This will drop the image right into the content. Let me point out one other thing, is that you can sort these by different sets. I don't know that I've gone over sets with you yet, but I will in another video here in a moment. So it'd be very helpful to know that if you organize your images into sets when you upload them, that you can screen the files in the file manager by those sets. So in instance, if you want just to see something and you know it's a product, click the product set, and you can look at it through here. If you can do multiple sets. So let's see if there are any KDEC. Nope. Let's see, I had two sets here. KDEC M2. Okay, so there are two images that are both in the KDEC M2 set and in the product set. So we'll grab this one. Choose. The second thing I wanted to show you is that this image, insert image button, once you have an image in your content block, then this is useful. In fact, it's necessary. It will bring up some options that you can't get to through the add image link. For instance, it will give you the image description. This is important because, well, one, it giving an image description will display if for some reason the image can't load, or if somebody is not loading images on the browser. Not common, but possible. It's also good for search engine optimization and web accessibility if somebody's using a non-standard browser. More frequently, though, you're going to be going over to the Appearance tab and changing dimensions. So say instead of 600 pixels wide, I want it to be 300 pixels wide. If you have constrained proportions there, it adjusts the height accordingly. Alignment is the best way of setting this where you want it on the page. If I go set it to the left, the content will wrap around, which we'll see in a moment, but it won't look very impressive because it's simply the word content. You can add a border, or you can ensure that there is no border. You can add one. We don't, you can ignore the classes for the time being. Advanced is not really going to be particularly useful to you. We may later on decide that we want to work with an alternate image, but I'll go over that in a different video. So once you make the changes you like, hit apply, you can see the changes there. Border, size, content comes right up to the edge of it. And that's the gist of adding images.